ready for the fire. Everybody watch your eyebrows, okay?
Watch out, watch out.
Ready? Fire time.
See that egg?
Where the egg go?
Open.
Yeah.
On his head. On his head.
It's in the head.
That don't have
Okay.
that.
Got it. Oh.
What? That's a chicken.
It's a chicken. Oh, got it right here.
Oh, this side they have this way. Hey! Daddy, look. You're gonna try?
What?
How about you, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Of course, of course.
Hold on. There you go. One. Oh. Okay, one more time. One more time. That was too fast. Okay, one more time. There you go. One. Okay. All right. Who's ready?
Me.
You. Okay. Open your mouth. There you go. One. Oh no! Don't move. Okay, one more time.
Don't move, don't move, okay? Don't move, don't move. Don't move.
Oh yeah. Okay, how about you? You wanna try?
Want to try? No, no, let's cause I try.
Okay, open your mouth.
Uh,
There you go. One. Oh no. Okay, one more time.
no.
Okay,
How about
next try.
mommy? You wanna try? How about this?
Come on. Open wide. You. Oh.
Oh!
Got it. There you go. One. Oh, no.
That's so crazy. No, just a little white. Most of the fried. Oh no, it's just out. She said the way we're doing it, so she said she want fried rice also.
Do you know the muffin? Do you know the
When you want to eat, don't okay?
I'm not eating.
Okay, but you. Yeah. Tomorrow, you don't okay?
Eat.
Picture.
I have the picture already. Okay. Keziah is eating.
I need the broccoli, guys.